Hi, welcome to the session of transporting OBD2 message via ISO-TP transport protocol. So in this session, we are going to see the message format or frame format used on OBD2 on CAN bus. All OBD data communication on CAN bus is carried out through a transport protocol called ISO-TP, that is ISO 15765-2. This transport protocol enable communication of payload that exceeds 8 bytes. This is especially important when we are extracting vehicle informations or diagnostic trouble codes. This ISO 157652 protocol, transport protocol, enable segmentation, flow control and reassembly process. There could be single frame format for the communication, or it could be a multi-frame format. The frame type, if it is single frame format, is used in the communication. The frame format is given here. You can see that the 8 bits, first 8 bits is used to indicate code and size of the payload. You can see the code 0 is to indicate single frame format, and the size it could be 0 to 7 bytes. So you can give size 0 to 7 using this field encoding. If it is coded here 2, there are 2 bytes of payload is given in the single frame format, or if it is 3, 3 bytes of information is communicated in the single frame format. So this first byte is used to code the size of the payload, and the remaining bytes are used to give the payload data. Based on the size, it could be single byte or 2 byte, 3 byte or 4 byte, 6 bytes, 7 bytes. If it is multi-frame data communication is carried out, the first frame will have one format and the consecutive frame will have another format. The first frame under the multi-frame communication, the first bit is used to give the code 1, and the remaining bytes up to 2 bytes is used to specify the size of the payload. It could be 8 to 4095 size. Under multi-frame format, the consecutive frame, that is other than first frame, will have code 2 and index ID. The index ID will be giving the number of frame. If it is second frame, number 1, third frame, number 2, like that. This index is used to identify the frame number under multi-frame communications. There is a specific frame format used for flow control purpose, which is called as flow control frame. The frame format of flow control is given here. The code 3 is used to indicate flow control frame, and there are flag field that is used to indicate some particular flag, and another field called block size is used to specify the segmented block size, and the separation time is used to specify the separation timing. It's all under control, coming under flow control mechanism, right? So this is a frame format used under OBD2 using transport protocol. OBD2 service and modes. From the previous slide, we know that we can specify particular service or mode in the frame format itself. There are 10 OBD services or mode supported under the frame format, where the mode 1 shows the current real data. That is, if you are interested to extract the current real data from various unit of vehicle, you have to send the frame with the mode 01, and mode 2 is used to show the freeze frame format. It is used for freeze out all the current running diagnostic procedure and take a snapshot of what is going on. And mode 3 used to extract the stored diagnostic trouble code. So already some diagnostic trouble codes are stored that you want to extract, you can use 03 mode. Mode 4 is used to clear DTC double codes after repair and rectification is done. Suppose you have rectified all the faults in your vehicle, then you have to clear the trouble code generated by the system. For that you can use the frame format with the mode ID of 04. The 05 mode frame is used to test the results for oxygen sensor, and 06 is for system monitoring purpose. Some system monitoring operation you want to establish, and you can use the 06 mode frame for. 07 mode is used to fending DTC. That is, if you have number of trouble codes stored in your system, you are clearing one by one by after repairing, then in midway you want to know what are the bending codes, you can use this service. And 08 is the frame control operation frame, that is used to control some operation of the ECU particular way. You can write some control action on the ECU by using this mode of frame 08. 09 is to extract some vehicle informations like VIN ID, and 0A, that is 10th mode, is used to find out some permanent DTC, that is trouble codes. So still what are the some uh, trouble codes are not cleared, not cleared from the system, you can find out that, right? So in request, the mode is included directly, the mode number is included directly in the frame, while the ECU respond for the mode request frame, it will add hexadecimal 40 with the mode ID. For example, a test equipment is requesting with the mode 1, then the responding ECU will respond with the ID of 41, that is 1 plus 40.